Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do a custom mixed acrylic powder, and I was trying to match the baby blue nails in the picture on my phone that my friend sent me. So this is the color I'm trying to match, and I got these from Banggood. The bigger pots are from Banggood and the smaller ones are from, I think, GearBest. Wherever they're from, I'll have it in the description box. I cannot remember right now. But I just mixed those 4 colors together because I felt like it would create a really nice baby blue color. It wasn't really what I was going for. I wanted it to be more like Tiffany blue, so I added a little bit of lime green. And this is from the Banggood set as well. So just like a couple splashes of that lime green color. And then finally a little bit of white acrylic from Tammy Taylor. And I'm just eyeballing this until I get what I'm looking for. So once that's mixed up, I have my friend's tips applied in a thin layer of clear acrylic. I'm going in with my number 12 oval alpha brush, and I'm just applying this all over the nails, and then I will encapsulate with clear.
Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
After file shaping and buffing the nails, I'm going in with Zulay's Bling Adhesive, and I'm just going to apply some AB stones in various sizes, as well as some gold embellishments.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just a pain when you felt it all. Oh. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, there ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, keep my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Once you leave me, it's over. No turning back, not today. Don't you come running back now. I'm not a home for the shade. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, there ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, keep my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. I won't miss this love, no. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Thrill is gone.
After all of the resin has dried, I'm going to top coat the nails with IBD Intense Seal and then cure. And this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you're new, please hit the subscribe and click the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. I really appreciate it. You guys always make my day with your lovely supportive comments. It really means a lot to me. And hopefully I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!
Alone, I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars